How you doing? And welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna get into these Pro'sKit, yeah, CP-301G wire cutters. They go to, obviously Chinese made, but they go to 20 gauge, I think, something like that. Let's see. Just want to make sure. These were sent to me, so I can say somewhat of a sponsored video, even though it's not. Yeah, it is about 22 gauge or something like that. Apparently they sell them on Amazon, but I didn't know that, so. Let's undo this. I just have an old charger wire, so I'm just going to use it just to test to see, because I'm sure this is more than 20 gauge, but let's see. Let's see how these do. And then you trim it right there. Nice. Let's do that again. Nice. And they strip the wires. Amazon has these for like $5-6, but the company offered to send them to me for free. To do a unbiased review. And I said, why not? Link will be in the description where you can buy these. But for, I guess, for home use, let me see the cutters again. That's pretty good for $5. What the? My goodness. Let's see these. I think this is the size, or this is too big. Or is it this size? I think it's this size. Yeah. So it's copper only for those, but let's see. Has crimpers. See this one more time, and then I will catch you on the next one. Pulls it right off. I like these for home use. So if you are in the market for basic wire trimmers that will do the job, that look pretty good, work pretty well for what they are. They look like they cost more than what they do. So if you're interested, just go on the link in the description, and they have them on Amazon. Probably other places too, but I think Amazon is the cheapest. I will catch you on the next one. Thanks to all my subscribers, and I'd like to say hi to Tools by Soul, Tools and Tactics, Man Caver Tools, Tool Review Zone, Tool Boss, all those guys. Scout Crafter does an excellent job on restorations of old tools. Gives you knowledge too. Alright, catch you guys on the next one. Later.